Hey guys, my name is Gabriella.
This is Emmanuel here, and I'm here for my first time.
This is actually my second tour with Koukun's team.
We found these tours very valuable. You're meeting a bunch of new investors, new and seasoned.
In general, it was wonderful just to see what the options are.
I find that their tours are very informative and they're very open. They're very transparent and they're very welcoming.
It's been really a great experience looking at the possibilities that, Welland gives to investors.
And also getting to meet the team, Team Koukun, which we've been working with for a while now. And they've been amazing. So
I really enjoyed just hearing their insight. They have a lot of knowledge specifically in this area. Gave me a lot of comfort in terms of just understanding their process and their strategy.
What can I say? They're doing an exceptional job.
I just want to let you know that if you're ever thinking about investing in duplexes, triplexes, doing a conversion in Niagara region, this is the team that you gotta check out.
So I highly recommend it to anyone who's interested in just developing a little bit of knowledge in specifically this area and what opportunities are out there.
And I think that they're doing a great job and helping the city to provide quality housing and giving tenants a place to call home.
We definitely wouldn't have got to this stage without Koukun and Team Koukun. They've really helped us a lot.